At Suterra, we are innovators by nature and also for nature. In 1984, when no one was talking about sustainability in agriculture, we broke the mold. We are driven by one goal: to protect the future of the food supply while making your job easier. Your job, the toughest one on earth. Every day, together with you, we spare the planet the impact of thousands of gallons of insecticides. We prevent fresh food from going to waste each season and help you bring healthier products to homes around the world. We have the soul and the drive of pioneers, and we do not set limits when it comes to improving the world. We are innovators by nature and for nature, in partnership with you. Suterra, innovators by nature and for nature.